Hi everyone, welcome to WPL Club. In this video, we will be showing you how you can add background image in WordPress. Now, let's get started. Most of the themes in WordPress do come up with a default option to let you customize your background image. So the first method we are going to use today in this video is simply using the customization settings that come up with your theme. For that, you should click on customize your settings, and here you can see background image. Once you click on it, you can add, remove, change your background image and even set how you want your background image to be presented in your WordPress page. So this is the first method by which you can add, change or remove your background image, but not all themes come up with this particular feature. So for example, if your theme does not come up with the customization option of the background image, then we have another method. So the second method is by adding CSS. For that, you can go to any post in which you want to add the background image, then right click on inspect. So here you're looking for body, and here you are body, and here down below you can see the custom background details and CSS written for custom background. So all you'll need to do is copy this and go to additional CSS. If your theme does not allow you to customize your background image, then this particular CSS won't be there. So you need to copy this, and here in the additional CSS section you need to paste. Click on publish, click on save, and you are good to go. So these were two methods using which you can add background image in WordPress. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments related to this video, then please leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe for more such resources and tutorials on WordPress. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more.